With your Control Series sprayers, there's a variety of patterns you can choose from for your specific project needs. First, you can spray up and down. Or you can choose side to side. Or you can go to a narrow pattern. When you do that, you want to turn your flow down a little bit so you don't oversaturate an area. The control adjustment might be a little bit different depending on which gun you have, but the end result is just the same. To get the texture you're looking for when spraying, there's 3 different adjustments that you can make. First, it's about that paint to airflow volume mixture. If you're looking for a more smooth finish, you'll want to turn your paint flow down. Otherwise, it might be too much paint and it's going to get clumpy and splattery, like this. If I want to smooth that out, I'm going to go ahead and turn my paint flow down a little bit, and then it'll give us more finish that we're looking for. And second, it's about that distance that you have your gun from your surface. You want to be about 6 to 8 inches away. If you're too far, it's going to get clumpy and splattery and not dry together. And finally, it's about your arm speed. You want to move fast enough that you're not getting runs and sags, but not so fast that you're getting light spots and have to come back with a second coat. And one little added tip, every once in a while when you're spraying, make sure you wipe off the end of the nozzle. Paint can collect and dry there, and it'll really disrupt your spray pattern. We're using semi-transparent stains. They're pretty thin, so you want to be careful of your material flow. If they're too high, you're going to get runs and a mess in your project. It would look like this. You want to start with like a setting 3 or so and test that out. What you're looking for is you want to put enough stain on so it'll soak in and saturate, but not so much that you end up with runs like you see there. And also remember, overlap about 30%. If you do too much overlap, you'll get heavy boards and light boards. As you can see, it looks pretty good. As it soaks in and dries, you can determine if you want to put on another coat for the tinting that you're looking for. We hope you find these tips helpful. For more videos and additional information on our complete line of painting products, visit WagnerSprayTech.com. Thanks for watching.